Want to program your 1998-2002 Toyota Land Cruiser key fob yourself? It's doable and can save you money. This guide focuses on the simple DIY method. You'll need a working master key, one that starts the engine, and a compatible 4-button key fob. Aftermarket fobs from brands like Keyless Ride are widely available online if you need a replacement. Make sure the replacement fob matches the 314.4 MHz frequency of your original. Be cautious when buying aftermarket products. Make sure to research the product and the seller. This process allows you to sync the fob's transponder with your Land Cruiser's immobilizer system. The process takes only a few minutes. You will need to be within 40 seconds per cycle to successfully sync each key. Here's how to program your key fob. First, close all doors and insert your master key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, where accessories power on, within 5 seconds of closing the doors. Simultaneously, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob for 1 to 2 seconds, then release. Repeat the press and hold step for any additional fobs you want to program, up to 4 total. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. Test each fob to ensure it's working. If programming fails, check the fob's battery, which is a CR232 coin cell. Also, make sure you're doing it within the time limit. Digital diagnostic tools via your OBD2 port can help identify programming errors, though they aren't required. If issues persist, consult a professional.